Okay, this time I'm just gonna put it on with my putty knife, I guess. And I wasn't sure if I should prime the patch first or if this stuff was going to actually stick without the primer on there. It looks to be sticking. Go ahead and take the tape off. I think it's good to put tape around stuff. That way you don't have it all over the place. I need to just kind of blend it into the outside edge best I can. It almost looks like it's got something else in it too to keep it sticky. And initially, I didn't know if what I was going to do. I was thinking I didn't have this patch material, and I thought maybe I'll take the rock hard water putty, mix some up, put a little sand in it, you know, for a top coat, and put it on just like I'm doing now. And that's what I was going to do before I found this stuff in the garage. And I thought it was just old stuff. I didn't know exactly what it was. I'm glad I opened it. There. I'm liking that. Wow. That's pretty good stuff, I think. Okay, leave it alone, Joe. Leave it alone. Okay, that's it. And I had one little spot over here in the corner. I wasn't quite sure how to mess with this, but I think I'll just kind of throw some of this stuff on there, right here in the corner. Okay, I'm not going to put any tape on this one. Yeah, this stuff is really good. Dry-vit, huh? Oh, it looks like, you know, if you're going to have someone stucco your house, and if you know what the exact color is, then you can get some of it and match it up, and then keep some with you. Because this stucco, I don't think has been painted. You know, sometimes when companies install stucco, it's not painted, and then later you have to have someone, a painter, come in and paint your stucco. Well, other times there's they put a color in it. It's called a color coat, and it's right in the stucco. So the problem with that is if you ever get ready to touch it up, let's say it's got some cracks in it or something, you want to fix it, it's hard to match the paint because you don't know what it is, because it was mixed up inside the stucco. So I'm not sure how they did it. All I know is that it's matching up pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna set you up over here, and I'm gonna come over here. Let's see if I can't do a little bit more patching. See, I thought I would give my hand of patching this before I put the concrete pavers back in, because the pavers are going to be right about in here somewhere, and then it would be really hard to patch this, you know. You've got a gap between this and the paver, and you want to go down just a little bit lower, and you can't because the paver's there. So I thought, hey, let's just do it now and get it over with. Kind of liking this. And I thought I was going to put it on with a roller. I guess if you're putting just a hair on as a top coat, let's say you have some cracks. I've got a little hairline crack here. I could put some caulking on it, or I could just put the roller right over it, huh? Could just stick the roller on there. Maybe I should try that, huh? Just some right in there. I kind of have a feeling when it dries, it might be flat right in there. See, I probably should have put caulking in there first and then gone over it with this, you know? Just have to see what it looks like when it dries. See the stuff on the wall, you can see stuff, you know, the highs and lows in it. That's why I thought if I used the roller over the top of it, it would kind of pull some of it back off, so to speak. And give it a high-low, kind of like that. Okay, I think I should not mess with it anymore. Maybe just kind of use the roller cover and kind of have it pull some of it off, sort of. And make it kind of high. Knock some of that down. And it took off just a little bit with the roller right there at the bottom edge. I had it nicely patched. Okay. I think I'm going to leave that. I guess I could get some just down low. That's going to be kind of underneath the tile. Okay. Let's not mess with it anymore. Okay. Wow. I'm kind of liking that stuff. And I don't think they used the same material when they did the whole house, but I don't know that for sure. Can't even really see that one, can you? Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.